Hey guys, welcome to another Item Make production. My name is Tech009 and today we're going to show you how to replace the developing assembly on a Canon IRA C5030 through C5240. I have included the part numbers and the link in the description below. You might have to change these parts if you're getting any of the following errors. Alright guys, like always, don't forget before we do any technical work on any machine, you turn it off and also cut the power from the back. Alright guys, first let's begin by opening the front door. After we open the front door, we're going to remove the waste toner cartridge. There's a lever on the left, unlock that. Now the waste toner cartridge should come out. Now we're going to remove the IBT cover. There's a screw on the left and one on the right. All you do is quarter turn and the cover should slide to the right and out. Now let's open the right hand side door. Alright guys, we're going to turn the IBT pressure release lever up so we can release the pressure off the belt. Two screws are holding the process unit, one on the right and one on the left. Now that you have removed these two screws, you can slowly start pulling the process unit out. Alright guys, to pull out the drum unit, you're going to pull up on the two metal tabs. They will feel a little difficult to remove, but it will be alright to pull up. The reason there's a little pressure is because of the springs on the developer assembly, but if you line up this piece of plastic on the drum unit with this other one on the developer assembly, you should not have any problem reinstalling the drum unit. Guys, don't forget that the drum unit will get damaged if exposed to a lot of light. Either cover them in thick dark plastic or put them in a closet or drawer where there is no light. Now you're going to disconnect the developer harness, then run the harness across the harness guides. Now we're going to remove the developing assembly stopper. It is held by this screw. You do not need to remove the stopper completely to remove the developer assembly. All you do now is remove the knobs on the other side of the developer assembly and pull up. Alright guys, to install the developer assembly back on properly, you're going to insert the two metal knobs in the plastic developer holder in the process unit. On the other side, there are two plastic holes in the developer where you will insert the metal stopper. Alright, let's begin by installing the developer assembly. Insert the two metal knobs in the plastic developer hold. Then carefully line up the other corner with the stopper. Now once you have installed the stopper, you can move the developer back and forth and there should be no problem. Alright, let's begin by screwing in the developer stopper. Now run the harness back in place. Once the developer harness is back in place and connected, you have finished installing the developer assembly. Remember, you do this process for all the color developers as well. Alright, now we're going to install the drum units. Line up the plastic pieces I was talking about earlier, and from the top, push vertically. Do not install at an angle because you might damage the shutters. Another thing, the process is the same for all of the drum units. Alright guys, now that we're done, let's push in the process unit. Now turn the IBT pressure release lever in the left direction to apply the pressure. Alright guys, now we're going to secure the process unit by installing the 2 screws. A quick note guys, remember to clean any residue left behind by the developer assembly or the drum unit. Alright, now install the IBT cover and tie in the 2 loosened screws. Now let's insert the belt cleaner and don't forget to lock it in place. Alright, finally now close the front cover and then the right hand side cover. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, tell your friends, your neighbors, your pet, give us a call or visit us on our website.